Welcome to BlockchainLab Drenthe, where I would like to invite you to our next blockchain meetup on November 26th. As always, we have a number of very interesting topics for you. I will be the first speaker and start with talking about what's going on in the blockchain space. News about technology, cryptocurrencies, scams and other developments. Then Dr. Jurgen Goossens and Charlotte van Arsouw from Tilburg University will talk about the research they are doing. The Dutch government is developing blockchain applications together with companies to improve their services. This might lead to complexity and uncertainty about the government responsibilities or the optimal design of rules. Goossens and van Arsouw will introduce the recently started interdisciplinary NBO-MVI research project of €1 million, which investigates how blockchain can be designed in a transparent and legitimate way so that the citizens can trust the government. And last, but certainly not least, Danny Drenthe is going to talk about where we are on our self-sovereign attendancy application. That is the blockchain project where BlockchainLab Drenthe is working on for Interreg Project Bling. You will give a hands-on demonstration of the proof of concept that was built so you can experience firsthand how it'll work. Like I said, lots of interesting topics, so use the link in the description to reserve your spot and join us Thursday, November 26th, 7 o'clock in the evening online.